cage that I've been trapped in. Cats knew it was a problem, went from robbing to rapping. Guns got the clapping, another trip to the morgue. We all know why I